Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat and can't see. Upon the screen, one Kizzy Dan and Kiprich daughter. As you know, is in an incubator right now, and they're in urgent need of some money. Yeah, they need 250,000 US dollar to airlift Kizzy and the child back to the United States of America. They put up a GoFundMe explaining things while they were in Colombia. Kizzy said she had to do work. She traveled to work. This man said, and she did get doctor clearance, and the baby was healthy and all of this stuff. This man said, and like complications reach. The baby was born the 16th, and them go Colombia the 12th. This man said, this is the video in question. They put in the comment section where you think about that, people, because, boy, wow, you know what I mean? In time when them need and help, people have said, them things that them did rich and all of this stuff. This is what I said, because the people them, make a bag of money and, buy a bag of material things and, happy for show it off and all of this stuff. This is what I said. But before we get into that, let's hear Kiprich and them talk about the situation at hand because them need no help, you see me? Right, so that's like and share the video from now and let's hear what go on for now to go on.
I go get better, man, thing I go good. But you see what more people, the uplift for carry the baby, for care, take her from San Andres to the other place like Bogota, Barranquilla, kind of expense. So we need some money to take her up there, to take her out because that airlift very expensive because it's a special airlift, you get me?
You see, alright, what people understand, it's not just, alright, the airlift is one, seeing, but remember, so we also have to pay
the
daily thing for over there. I've been paying the daily thing here already, and the daily thing here, so, I mean,
crazy.
Today you go there, them tell you, 13 million enough for them money, like 3,000 odd US and whatever. You pay that today, that is the baby here. Then and you have Kizzy where them have to look pan to see me and the treatment them where them have to give her one might come to like a 2 grand and rare. That is for the day. And then you go the next day again, there's another bill. Right now them have another bill there for the transfusion and all that kind of thing. I wait for me right now. I go down there go pay that. See? I go down there go pay that right now. See, I don't know how much G that I gonna be. I mean, I come do a show, of course, and I spend up them food there. Cause I'm with there and thing, and we have to pay for accommodation too, because the promoter keep the thing after the event, promoting a business with you after that, you know what I mean? In which we not ask them to do that and what have you. We have to stand up and do what we do and them thing there. But I mean, there comes a time when say, boy, you just have to do what you have to do and them thing there. You get me I say, and no man on an island, brother. No man, you know what I mean? No man on an island, so we not go like we a hero and them kind of thing there. You know what I mean? And we not do this, for pull no negative energy and all them kind of thing there. We just speak life over the child, over miracle, and we are stand up for her and them thing there. You know what I mean? And me there, and me go stand up. Regardless, me go stand up. You know what I mean? So, and no time for no joke around, and no play around, no kid around. This is not that time. This is not that time. You know what I mean? It's serious. Something happen, and we have to keep this child alive and get her out of this situation. Yeah. Seeing, and we just share it too, and then we're there. Seeing who just a join, we are showing the birth certificate. We get the birth certificate, fair and thing, and that right there. So, and as we say, keep the prayers coming in.
We need all the prayers we can get now.
Yeah, man, we need the prayers. You know what I mean? We need the prayers.
We appreciate the support. All the messages.
We appreciate every support we've been getting. And then we're there. Seeing all the support we've been getting from everybody. All the prayers them we said, all the scripture quotes and all I think them and what them say for read over the baby and all of them kind of thing there. We do all of them thing there. You know what I mean? So give thanks for all of that. we truly appreciate Uno. We appreciate Uno and thing and appreciate all the love Uno send out and all of the prayers. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The since people keep on a right cash up something.
You have
to check. You have to check on
my cash up on Kizzy done 5.
Check on Kizzy. Kizzy thing for them thing there.
ON number 5. So I got to put in my bio. Baby do the breast something. I got to put in my bio and the story so we can see oh God. Breast ain't tough like stone, man.
And people, you see, alright, me I give you an idea, a one of the bill with the air ambulance thing. For move her from here, from over Barranquilla or Bogota to the States. That alone is like 98,000
US.
98,000 US for move her from Bogota to the United States.
Yes.
See, and we don't even reach a stage yet because we still have some other thing.
Really far.
But we have to move her from here to Bogota. See, so we have to pay that money there to move her from here to Bogota. And then we there and get her in the care. We have to pay for the place so she'll go in.
I have to pay for accommodation over there.
And we have to pay the daily fee them fare and then we there so. You know, it's not a joke ball game. You understand what I say? It's not a joke ball game. Yeah, and I want to joke something. I go on. You see me? So, as me I say, you know, every support is good. You know, the prayers them, I strongly believe in that. So, me need that more than anything else. Because just as I say, she's a fighter, me's a fighter. You get me? I say, me's a fighter. Believe. Everybody will know me, know that about me. You get me? I say, but
I can't do a ball in the place I roll, but I'm not going to be able to be there. I'm ball and roll and me eye them big. Told me look awful, no, I'm afraid to come near camera. Me look like a total mess right now, telling you the truth. Me depressed. Me never depressed in my life. Me confused. I don't know what to do right now. Boy, I want to take it easy still. Rough right now, if you're rough. And when you talk Spanish, even worse. Of what later so, Kiprich know that guy here, son, him can help with interpreting and him someday. But when the latest now we're gonna Bogota now, a big city now. We don't know Spanish, we don't know nobody here.
When we're over there, so now we basically own over that side, we want to fly over that side there. You know, but I mean, yo, God has to be true, man. I tell you that. You know?
And Mr. People doesn't just go and pray for because if I go back up by hospital now, hear what they must say again, go to Billy and see the baby again. We have our next visit 3 to 5. So I have to go leave here so now. I keep on posted about the baby and thing. But I figure, you know, I get all the texts and I can't ignore everybody. I can't answer everybody if I don't know what I want. Because you know, I flew with baby this. Miracle of our baby. And then we do all along now, so I have to keep on posted and stuff like that.
Yeah, man, and big up for everybody who reach out and call you. Big up Auntie Dana. Yeah, Auntie Dana call me. And you know, and she call me and she talk me and she say, boy, anything what she can do, you know, she instruct me and doing some stuff too and all them kind of things. So I have to big up like Auntie Dana to see me, you know, she reach out and you know, she did it with me, she pray with me and all them kind of thing there too. And I have to big up Sharon Burke, big up herself, you know, Sharon Burke reach out and Sharon Burke try any strings that she can pull to see me and all them kind of thing there. You know, so I mean, you know, everybody who reaching out, you know, and who wanna get for talk to yet and all them kind of thing there. We see when I reach out, you know. We hope TVJ, big up TVJ, you know, and big up the people from Irish who reach out to also and them thing there. You know, so we just keep on a posted with what go on and all them kind of thing there. Big up the radio station them in New York for reach out to me too. I just did an interview on one of the radio station in New York and things. You know, just keeping the people in my best with what's going on and things. So big up big up them people to see him way and thing, you know what I mean? And they don't know.
Keep them updated.
Yeah, miracle. We fight for miracle.
Appreciate everything.
Yeah, man, we appreciate everything, man. And you know, all the positive people, you know, just keep it positive, and we give thanks. You know, we give thanks to all the positive and kind words and all them kind of thing there. You know, give thanks. So everybody will reach out from all over the world. The people will reach out to me from Africa, big up on yourself. You know, big up the Kenya people, them Ghana people, them all of them people that will reach out from all them places there. You know, big up the Guyanese, them will reach out to me. Big up people from Trinidad will reach out to me. You know, big up the people them who even here in San Andreas where we are now. You know, people them over in Bogota and all them kind of places there where I reach out and I send them kind words. You know, everybody in the States, because the people in England where I reach out to, a lot of people reach out to me from over England side to see me. You know, we just want to big up everybody at Jamaica where we have in them heart. And I show real care and them thing there, you know. We just want to know, say, big up the Canada people, them too. I can't leave out to see me, because a lot of people reach out from Canada to see me, you know. Just big up on yourself, and we love and appreciate, you know, to the fullest. Yeah. You know what I mean?
Baby, the battery, the phone battery.
Yeah, so the phone battery, they're like, 4 days now and things. So we just keep, you know, our rest with what go on and thing. And, you know, I'm going to know, so we appreciate, you know, and we love all the prayers them and all of the reach out them and all them kind of thing there. So we're not stay with them too long, because we're going to the hospital now.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. No, like I said, a lot of people is, you know, basically calling them out, saying, oh, they say on the rich and all of these things, because I already know the videos them is up there. You know what I mean? And no, Miss Chin, Kiprich baby mother, is chiming in and basically saying, whoa, me want to say the baby good, because last time she pranked the people, them say she depressed and shave off her hair, right? And they on the app. But we come back with new body and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, people, me not gonna read it out for you know, they can't press pause and read it on themselves. But as you can see, she says she not buying it. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section what you think about that. No, we're not gonna long out this no longer, you know. I'm gonna still give you that quick update there with Kippy. But we'll definitely be back later. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.